Convert this text into lecture with diagram for 11 class. Plasma membrane. A plasma membrane or cell membrane is the outermost boundary of the cell. However, in most plant cells, it is covered by a cell wall. Cell membrane is chemically composed of lipids and proteins. 60 to 80% are proteins, while -20 to 40% are lipids. In addition, there is a small quantity of carbohydrates. Many biologists contributed to establish the structural organization of cell membrane. It was proposed earlier both once composed of lipid bilayer sandwiched one inner and outer layers of protein Fig.4.4. This basic structure is called the unit membrane and is present in all the cellular organelles. Modern technology has revealed that lipid bilayers are not sandwiched one to protein layers. Globular_protein hydrophobosi and zona hydrophilogen effin. 4.4. Unit membrane he protein layers are not continuous and are not confined to the surface of the membrane but are embedded in lipid layers in a mosaic manner. Opening parenthesis Fig.4.5. This discovery to the proposal of fluid mosaic model. This model at present is the most accepted. Cell membrane also contains charged pores through which movement of material takes place, both by active and passive transport. This book is uploaded by www.educatedzone.com. 51glycoprotein fibers of extracellular off cytoskeleton profifins. 4.5. Fluid mosaic model transport of materials is one of the vital roles it plays for the cell. It offers a barrier between the cell contents and their environment, allowing only selective substances to pass through it. Thus it is known as differentially permeable or selectively permeable membrane. The substances which are lipid-soluble cross 1 trillion more easily than others, therefore, it regulates the flow of materials and ions to maintain a definite gradient. Many small gas molecules, water, glucose, etc., being neutral can easily cross, while ions, being charged particles, have some difficulty in crossing. Many substances which are not needed constantly enter the cell by passive transport, others are taken up. Against the concentration gradient they move from the area of low concentration to the area of high. -1. This uphill movement of materials requires energy and is termed as active transport. The energy used for this movement is provided by ATP. In many animal cells, the cell membrane helps to take in materials by enfolding in form of vacuoles. This type of intake is termed as endocytosis, which can be either phagocytosis to engulf solid particles or pinocytosis to take in liquid material. In neurons' nerve cells, the cell membrane transmits nerve impulses from one part of the body to the other to keep coordination.